How's it going, everybody? Arie here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a framework for a really amazing start to a dropshipping brand. Now, my first online business that I made 100K with was a dropshipping store, and the cool thing is that things have actually improved in the dropshipping world as opposed to what other people will lead you to think. So after you're done with this video, I think you'll have a really good idea on how you can achieve your first 100K as well. So let's get right into it. Let's not waste any time. However, if you do enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe for more. We're really trying to grow the community, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. So the best way that I can explain to you this framework that you should follow is by showing you a really cool dropshipping brand. So this brand is called Dog Potty, and it's basically a dog brand. So it's a niche down store around dogs. Now what they do is, first of all, they sell some random dropshipping products, some random toys, and then some print on demand stuff as well, which you can do through Printful. That's one of the easiest ways to start, honestly, is to just create designs on Printful and dropship them to your customers. Now, what's also really cool about this brand is that they even have digital products integrated into their brand. So for example, they have a digital product for 15 bucks here on 50 things that you can do for your dog's health and happiness. So basically what we can see here is that this brand really cares about their customers. They're really in tune with dog owners, and they're just really doubling down on them. So this is an amazing example as to how you can actually create a dropshipping brand. So this is a perfect beginner business, right? It's not gonna cost you a lot of money to create this. Literally, you can start a Shopify trial for free, link in the description, and you can create a TikTok account and an Instagram account where you can start posting reels basically every day to start driving traffic to your store and start getting some sales. Now, people always ask me, when it comes to dropshipping, what's the best way to source products? And the most traditional way is simply through AliExpress. However, there's a better way to do this. So let me share you one of the best solutions out there right now for this, and it's called USA Drop. Now, this is a company that reached out to me a while ago, and we've been trying to work on a collaboration here because their system is truly amazing. Now, first of all, as you see here, they post a ton of winning products. Basically, as opposed to AliExpress, these are actually private warehouses that can fulfill products for you. It's almost like Amazon. So it's a private sourcing agent that you can use, and they can ship to all these different countries in 7 to 10 days. So they have some of the fastest shipping. However, this is the thing that's really cool. They also have USA stock. They have private warehouses in the US where you can actually find products that they can ship in 3 to 5 days. But that's not all. So if you do have some products that you find on AliExpress, you can actually go to the sourcing tab here, click source URL, and you can actually have them source your product for you. Like if for some reason you can't find any good products on here, you can get any product from AliExpress sourced directly on their website so that you can go through their seamless system. For example, here's a product that I got quoted, and the reference code is $12, so they can get this for 12 bucks, and they can ship it with extremely fast shipping. So this tool is really making moves right now, and I love the fact that you can source your own products directly through them. You know, going through AliExpress allows basically everyone to be able to see which products are hot. As opposed to this, it kind of gives you a competitive advantage as well as a better system to actually fulfill orders and get happy customers. Because that's the thing, let's say you have a brand like this and you source products through USA Drop related to dogs, you actually will be able to build a really solid brand, right? Because everything is custom, because you can insert your own cards, you can have fast shipping, and overall have a much better experience than some random person that's starting with AliExpress. But this is an amazing framework to start your store in. So find a niche. You could do a general store as well, or a one product store, and then just start posting a ton of content on TikTok. It's no secret that pet videos, for example, go extremely viral on TikTok. You could order some of your own products to test them out. If you have a dog, for example, you could actually just record your dog doing funny things with your products, and some of these videos, for example, get 27 million views, 33 million views, all organically. If one of your product videos was able to get these kinds of views, that would alone make you over 100K. So I don't want to hear any excuses, guys, especially now that Shopify has a deal where you can start a store for only $1. There's no better time to start a Shopify store. And again, you don't need a course, you don't need the latest strategies. Like, this is the simplest framework that you need. Create a brand, source some great products, products and just start posting your products on social media as soon as you can. Obviously, I do think you should run ads, but a lot of you guys that are starting dropshipping don't have those sorts of budgets, and that's why it's such an amazing beginner-friendly business model to start in. It's how I made my first 100K online, and I think now it's actually easier than before because of all these new tools available to you. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out USA Drop in the description. They're awesome, and that's it. See you guys in my next video. Peace.